Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Didi Kurniadi
Dan saya Muhammad Khalil Gibran dari kelas 12 IPS 5.
Di sini kami berdua akan mempresentasikan hasil dialog kami. Gibran, have you finished your English project?
Not yet, I can seem to finish it.
May I have to finish your project?
Oh, really?
Yes.
That will be very helpful. Thank you very much.
It's okay.
You are very nice.
We are friends, we have to help.
Is true like that?
Are there any English project that haven't been done yet?
I don't know. I see.
It's okay.
Those seem to exist.
Drift really is it.
Yes, really.
If there is anything you want to ask, just stand.
It's okay, Didik.
Ready, Gibran?
It's okay. Dan
Sekian dari kami, mohon maaf bila ada kekurangan
Dan
atau
banyak
kesalahan. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.